Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Jitsi Meet on your Android device step by step. Jitsi Meet is a free, open-source video conferencing app that lets you host and join secure online meetings from your phone or tablet. So let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Jitsi Meet, and look for the official app published by the Jitsi team. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its download page. Review the app details if you'd like, then tap the install button to begin downloading and installing the application on your device. Wait for the installation to finish. The download time depends on your internet connection, so it's a good idea to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or reliable mobile data until the process is complete. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Jitsi Meet. You can immediately enter a meeting name to create a new meeting or join an existing meeting using a meeting link or room name. For the public Jitsi Meet service, you usually don't need to create an account to start using the app. Finally, allow Jitsi Meet to access your microphone and camera when prompted so you can participate in voice and video meetings without any issues. And that's it. You now know how to install Jitsi Meet on your Android device and start hosting or joining secure video meetings from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the